Scientist survey said. That was a good answer. Surgeon was the number one answer. Surgeon, physician. Fill in the blank. It's good to be what? You said? Alive. You better know it. Survey said. Alive was the number one answer. I said, who's the funniest woman in America? You said Roseanne Barr. Well, you saw what your sister said. Survey said. Number one answer. Ellen DeGeneres. That's a true statement. That's a very true statement. Also, then I said, name something a teacher might like to throw in an unruly student. You said chalk. Right now. Survey said eraser was the number one answer. You need 105 points, John.
Ginger.
That's not doable, but let's get some money. Name an illness the school kids are always
Ginger.
taking from each other. You said the mumps. Survey said